What's up, YouTube people? Your boy here, gamer boy Raw, aka. About to have this 1v1 with my son Barcel. Let's get it. So let's start this fucking 1v1. Let's get it. Let's start this shit up. And I'll get ball first. Fuck you, Barcel. I'll get ball first. Let's fucking get it. Let's get it. Let's get this 1v1. Barcel, I'm posting this on YouTube. Whoever loses, I win. I don't care. Oh yeah. Oh god. Uh, that's a fact. Yeah, so that's a fact. No. Yeah, boss, get dunked on, nigga. Huh? Mm. Mm. Uh. Stupid, Barcel. Oh my. Oh, I'm about to spank him, guys. Oh, hit him with it. Oh, stupid. Stupid. Cannot guard me, Barcel. I'm about to smoke Barcel. It's 0 to 10. Me. Yeah, 0 to 10. I'm spanking him. See, you two people can't guard me. Yeah. Don't reach, nigga. Don't reach. Don't reach, nigga. And one. And one! And you getting put on YouTube too, Barcel. I don't know what the hell is this dude doing. Who mans is this? Barcel get exposed! Expose him! Oh my god. Alright. Oh. Yeah, like that. Clamps. And one! Get off of me! I'm a fucking beast! Out of here. You're not beating me, Barcel. This dude is a dribble god, guys. But he ain't beating me. Oh, he hacked me. He hacked me. Clamps. Oh, now he gonna try to cross me up. What, stupid? Clamps. Stupid. Clamps. Stupid. Clamps. I just jumped too early. Oh, you're trash! Oh my god! Oh my god, you're trash, and this shit is on YouTube. I have to. Yeah. What the hell is she calling me for? Out, my ball. Thank you, Barcel. Expose him! Barcel, you're getting exposed! Get out of here. Cannot guard me. You're a hack. Stupid clamps. What? Finally scored. Damn. Damn it. Oh my fucking god. He's a dribble guy, guys. I'm a clan guy. I'm not no dribble guy, really. hell fucking no. What the fuck? Fucking hate Dribble gods. Oh my god. And he makes it. Oh, never mind. That's out. Thanks. Come on, guys. Come on. We can win this. Come on, guys. Come on. Let's spam it up. Let's go. Yeah. Oh my god, bro. Oh my god. Oh, let's go. Oh, about to spank this nigga, bro. And I smoked it too. 6-18, guys. You think we can win it? You think we can win it, guys? Bang. Pray, God. Pray that we can beat this dude. He's a dribble god, bro. Have a hard time guarding dribble gods, bro. Pray that we can win, guys. Yeah, fucking won. I fucking hate dribble gods. Oh my god, bro. Oh my fucking god. And then it's point four versus point four. My fucking god! Fucking hate these niggas, bro. My fucking god, man. So hard to guard, though. I'm not even fucking laughing, bro. They hard to guard. Clamps. Oh, he made me. Oh my god. Oh my god. He just made me touch. Oh my god, bro. So hard to. Let's pray that we win, guys. Just pray. Oh, fucking trash. Man, you're fucking hack, bro. Oh my fucking god! Damn! Oh my god! Alright, bro. Move, my nigga. Move. Now it's fucking over. Now I'm fucking. Oh, yeah. Now I'm gonna fucking bust your ass. What the fucking bust your ass? Ankle breaker. Had good defense, bro. What the fuck are you doing? What the fuck are you doing? Oh my god! What the fuck are you doing? Green line. Fuck up my court! Get the fuck up my court! Fuck up my court! That's what I'm talking about. Let's go! Great video. Great 1v1. And I'll see y'all niggas next on the next fucking video. Make sure you leave a like on the video too. 25, 26 likes for the next 1v1 video. Let's go. Let's go. I'm talking about. Catch y'all later. Peace.